welcome to my new Guitar Nerdery video, Quartal Chords. Quartal chords sound very open, and exactly this makes them very interesting in use. In this episode I'm gonna show you how you can easily play them on the guitar. What I've just played in the intro was in the key of D Dorian, and therefore I tuned my guitar to dropped D. You do not have to do this, but I especially wanted for the demonstration have a D in the bass. Let me just make clear in the beginning, you can use these quartal chords in all kinds of church modes, but I especially like them really in the Dorian mode. I chose the D Dorian mode. It's the second mode in the C Ionian system, and there we have no flats and no sharps. Makes explaining much easier. When we're in the key of C Ionian, we have the C Ionian scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C would be our root. The fourth is F. From F, a fourth up, we come to the B, and there we have an augmented fourth, because a perfect fourth would be a B flat, and B flat is not in the C Ionian scale. And from the B, 1/4 up, we come to the E. Sounds a little odd first, but in context with other voicings, you will get the beauty of it. And now I'm going to show you how we can use our standard tetrad voicings of 7th chords to transform them to quarter chords. In the C Ionian system we have 7 different modal chords. The first one is C major 7. Second, D minor 7. Third, E minor 7. Fourth, F major 7th. Fifth, G 7th. Sixth, A minor 7. And the 7th, B minor 7th, flat 5. And of course we have also 7 chords in D Dorian, consisting of the same notes as C Ionian. We just make the former second chord, D minor 7th, now our first. So this is now our tonic chord. And now, taking these voicings and transforming them to quarter chords is ridiculously easy. D minor 7th. We just alter the 5th here on the D string to the perfect 4th. We do not need the 5th for the function of the chord. And this is a kind of standard jazz voicing. What I just did with the D minor 7 voicing, alter the 5th to the 4th. We can do that with all these 7 voicings. Let me start again with D minor 7. So this was the original voicing, a D minor 7th. And then alter the 5th. Exactly the same we can do with the next voicing, E minor 7. Then comes the F major 7 chord. The 5th with these voicings is always on the D string, but now here we get an augmented 4th, because I cannot do this, then I would have a B flat here. B flat is not part of the C Ionian system. So here we have the augmented 4th. next voicing, G7, alter the 5th, A minor 7th, and here B minor 7 flat 5. We alter the diminished 5th also to the perfect 4th, which makes this voicing equal to all other minor voicings. And then we have the C major 7, and then we are through. Let me play it again, and now I go exactly 1 octave up. And now we're getting to what is really cool about these voicings. Although they stand for each mode chord, they have not a really strong root. Let me show you when I put a constant D in the bass, how they sound. The chord doesn't really change. It was all the way D minor. Imagine you have to play incredible many bars of just D minor. You just can play D minor all the way like this. And here we are already at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm looking very forward to see you next time.